Well, welcome to the mix, and we have here Dwayne as he explains that he's now letting go of the past, of the things that he did in the past, and he's moving on with his life. He's doing things now that makes him happy and his family happy, and he's looking on situations and things in another light than he used to do before it was like for the entertainment and stuff, but now he's genuinely moving on, moving in another direction. So let's watch and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
All of that mess that I was a part of before, all of that mess that I somewhat had a part in, not anymore. We are doing things that is going to make me happy and that's going to make me laugh, you know? And honestly, that is the best solution. I would encourage everyone to take that route. All of you take that. Do things that make you happy. Do things that make you laugh, right? Laughing is a good thing. Laughing is a good thing. You never called me. I was waiting until I... No, I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure I messaged you. Hold on. I'm pretty sure I messaged you. I'm pretty sure I messaged you. Hold on. I'm pretty sure... Yes. Oh, you... Do you know what? When you responded to me, I was already on a phone call with somebody. So that's why... Oh, I see a response now too. But I already got the call already. And trust me, no knowings. Dwayne Fletcher is always going to be Dwayne Fletcher. And Dwayne Fletcher will always speak about things Dwayne Fletcher wants to talk about. I believe I've earned that privilege. I've earned that right. You know, and who don't like it? That's not my business. Me not cater. May God. I'm great. Shut her over, big up yourself, wagwan, 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 wagwan. Hello. I'm great. I believe I earned the right to talk about anything I want to talk about. Anything. And who don't like it? Such is life. Hey, but you know what? I am keeping low because, you know, I do have some things in the pipeline. I do have some things in the pipeline. I'm not at liberty to talk about it just yet. You know, maybe when everything has finalized, then I will talk about it. Until then, I won't. Just know I have some things working on behind the scenes and it is all being handled. It is all being figured out. Blessings to you too, Camille. Blessings to you too. Hello, Corinne. Corinne, I saw your phone call, but you know what? Every time you call me, I'm talking to somebody. I'm Corinne. Corinne, you know how it goes already with me. The people. I don't know what is a fascination. There's nothing fascinating about me. Only can't stop call my phone. Stop calling me. Listen. Yeah, stop calling me. I like my own space at times. I genuinely like my own space. I like my, you know me. I'm somewhat a little bit. I wouldn't say I'm antisocial. I would say I'm more. Actually, I'm very antisocial. I like my own company. I don't know about you guys, right? I love my own company. That way, there's no one nagging me in my. There's no one bothering me, no one talking to me. I just love to mind my own business and just do things that makes me happy. Listen, I've already made that decision for myself already. People may feel I'm changing because of circumstances that are out of my control. No. I chose to change because I knew what I was doing, it wasn't good, you know? And I'm very sure my mom wasn't happy with a lot of it as well. So if I can do things to make my mom proud and my family proud, I am going to latch onto it, come with me, and that is exactly what I'm doing.